How to make money with ChatGPT. To make money using GPT-3, it's important to have a clear understanding of the technology and its capabilities. This will help you identify the most profitable opportunities and develop applications that meet the needs of your target audience. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Fast Forward. In today's episode, we are going to tell you how to make money using ChatGPT. Let's dig in. There are several ways to make money using OpenAI's GPT-3 technology. Number 1. Developing chatbots. One of the most popular applications of GPT-3 is building chatbots. Chatbots powered by GPT-3 can provide human-like interactions and can be used for customer support, personal assistance, and more. There is a growing demand for chatbots across various industries and businesses, providing an opportunity for developers to create chatbots and sell them to interested parties. Number 2. Content creation. GPT-3 can be used to generate high-quality content, such as articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. Freelance writers, marketers, and businesses can use GPT-3 to generate content quickly and efficiently, saving time and increasing productivity. Number 3. NLP applications. GPT-3 can be used to develop natural language processing, or NLP applications, such as sentiment analysis, text summarization, and more. These applications can be used by businesses to analyze customer feedback, social media conversations, and more to gain valuable insights. Number 4. Virtual assistants. GPT-3 can be used to create virtual assistants that can perform tasks such as scheduling, email management, and more. This can be particularly useful for small businesses and entrepreneurs who need a virtual assistant but don't have the resources to hire a full-time employee. Number 5. E-commerce applications. GPT-3 can be used to build e-commerce applications that can help customers with product recommendations, product search, and more. This can increase sales and customer satisfaction for e-commerce businesses. Number 6. Educational applications. GPT-3 can be used to build educational applications such as language learning apps, quizzes, and more. These applications can help students and learners improve their knowledge and skills in a fun and engaging way. Number 7. Healthcare applications. GPT-3 can be used to build healthcare applications such as symptom checkers, medical chatbots, and more. These applications can provide valuable health information and resources to patients, helping them make informed decisions about their health. Once you have identified a market opportunity, you can start building your application using the OpenAI API. You will need to have some programming skills and a good understanding of natural language processing to build a successful application. Once your application is complete, you can start marketing it to potential customers and clients. You can promote your application through social media, online advertising, and other marketing channels to reach your target audience. You can also offer free trials or demos to give potential customers a taste of what your application can do. Number 8. Offering consultation and training services. Another way to make money with GPT-3 is by offering consultation and training services to businesses and individuals who want to learn how to use the technology. This can be a profitable business opportunity for those with a good understanding of GPT-3 and its applications. GPT-3 offers a wealth of opportunities for those looking to make money using the technology. Whether you're a developer, marketer, entrepreneur, or consultant, there is a market opportunity for you. The key to success is identifying the right market opportunity and developing applications that meet the needs of your target audience. With the right approach and a little bit of hard work, you can make money using GPT-3 and be at the forefront of the AI revolution. Another way to monetize your GPT-3 project is by offering customized training and deployment skills. With the advanced capabilities of GPT-3, businesses may require additional support to fully utilize the technology. By offering training and deployment services, you can help businesses understand and effectively utilize GPT-3, thereby increasing the value they get from your solution. Additionally, you can also explore selling data that has been generated using GPT-3. This data can be used for a variety of purposes, such as for language models, AI-powered applications, or research purposes. You can also offer API access to GPT-3 for developers and businesses who want to build their own applications using the technology. Number 9. Develop and sell content. Another opportunity is to use GPT-3 to develop and sell content. For example, you can use the technology to write articles, create scripts, or generate marketing copy. This can be a valuable service for businesses who want high-quality content but do not have the time or resources to create it themselves. You can also explore monetizing your GPT-3 projects by offering them as a service on a subscription basis. This can be especially useful for businesses who want to use the technology on an ongoing basis but do not want to invest in the infrastructure and development required to build their own solution. There are many ways to monetize GPT-3 projects, from selling customized training and deployment services, to selling data generated using the technology, to offering API access and selling content generated using GPT-3. By exploring these opportunities, you can effectively monetize your GPT-3 project and create a successful business. Another aspect to consider when monetizing GPT-3 projects is the target market. Identifying the right target market and understanding their needs and pain points is crucial to the success of your business. One approach is to focus on small to medium-sized businesses that do not have the resources to develop their own AI solutions. These businesses may be interested in using GPT-3 for tasks such as customer service, sales, and marketing. Another approach is to focus on large enterprises that are already invested in AI and are looking for cutting-edge solutions to improve their operations. These businesses may be interested in using GPT-3 for tasks such as automating routine tasks, improving customer service, and generating data-driven insights. Additionally, you may also want to consider partnering with other companies and organizations to promote and sell your GPT-3 projects. For example, you can partner with software development companies, marketing agencies, or consultancies to offer integrated solutions to their clients. These partnerships can provide you with access to new markets and help you reach new customers. Lastly, it's also important to consider your pricing strategy and how to effectively communicate the value of your GPT-3 projects to potential customers. This can include highlighting the cost savings, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction that can result from using your solutions. By targeting the right market, partnering with other companies, and effectively communicating the value of your GPT-3 project, you can maximize the success of your business and effectively monetize your projects. Number 10. Niche down. While GPT-3 has a wide range of applications, it's important to focus on a specific niche in order to stand out and provide a unique solution. For example, you could focus on building chatbots for a specific industry, such as finance, healthcare, or e-commerce. This will help you differentiate yourself from competitors and offer a more tailored solution to your target market. Number 11. Offer value-added services. In addition to offering your main product or service, consider offering value-added services that enhance the customer experience. For example, you could offer training and support to help customers get the most out of your chatbot, or offer custom integration services to help businesses integrate your chatbot into their existing systems. These services can provide additional revenue streams and increase customer satisfaction. Number 12. Partner with other companies. Another way to make money with GPT-3 is by partnering with other companies in related industries. For example, you could partner with a digital marketing agency to help promote your chatbots, or partner with a software development company to help integrate your chatbots into their existing systems. These partnerships can help you reach new audiences and expand your business. Number 13. Stay up to date with industry trends. The AI and NLP industries are rapidly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Keeping abreast of new technologies and trends can help you stay ahead of the competition and offer cutting-edge solutions to your customers. Number 14. Pricing strategy. When it comes to pricing your products and services, it's important to consider your costs, the value you're providing to your customers, and the price points of similar products and services in the market. You may want to start with a lower price point to attract customers and gain market traction, and then gradually increase your prices as you establish yourself as a leader in your field. Making money with GPT-3 requires a combination of technical expertise, market knowledge, and a strong business acumen. By focusing on a specific niche, offering value-added services, partnering with other companies, staying up to date with industry trends, and carefully considering your pricing strategy, you can effectively monetize your GPT-3 projects and build a successful business. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Stay tuned with us for more wonderful stuff, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our recent updates. Thank you for watching.